Hi, welcome to this Cabinet Vision tutorial. My name's Taylor and today we're going to be looking at how to add a splashback in Cabinet Vision. So I've got a little wall of a kitchen here that I want to add a splashback to. To access splashbacks, you have to be in the elevation view. So go to elevation and you can see on the left hand side here you have the option to add or edit splash. So click in there. If we had any splashbacks on the wall right now, we could right click on them to edit them, but we're starting fresh, so we need to add a new splashback. So we click there and then up the top comes up all our different drawing tools. Automatically the splashback is going to default to using the polygon tool, which basically you can use to click and move your mouse and click again to start drawing a shape in any different kind of size that you want. So I'm just going to follow the line of my cabinets and my bench top to draw this splashback. Once it's done, you can hit check. If it all comes up green, you're good to go. So hit return and save. And then if we change to our texture mode, we can see that we've got a splashback added. And because if I go back into the splash, I can click on the splash itself, right click, and then I can edit the shape a little bit if I need to. Say my cabinets get adjusted, I can edit the shape there. Or I can also go into properties, and this is where I can change the different material of the splashback from my drop down menu, and also change the texture by clicking on this button here. It will bring up the texture manager and I can change the texture for the splashback for the 3D. So that is one way to draw it up. I'm just going to delete this one and show you my favorite way. Personally, I find that the polygon tool is really good, but I'm not that accurate all the time with it. So I actually prefer to use the line box tool. If I click on one corner and then drag up to another corner, it creates a full box for me. And in a room like this, I need to have another box up here. And then I just use that trim delete tool to delete the lines in between. And again, hit check to make sure it's all good. And return and yes, and then adds a splashback in. Either tool works really well. The polygon is really good, but you do have to click on those points quite accurately, whereas the line box is going to draw you up a 90-degree box every time. So have a play, see which one you like the look of best. And then from there, when you're back in your normal elevation view, if you try and click on the splashback, you'll actually be clicking on the wall. So if you ever do want to go back in and edit your splashback at all, just remember to go back into splash and you can click into it from there. So that's how you draw up splashbacks in Cabinet Vision. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them below and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this one, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also check out our other videos that will help guide you on your path to becoming a Cabinet Vision power user.